The word of God in Mark 9:23 says, Jesus said to him, if you can believe, all things are possible to him who believes. Father, help my unbelief. I'm Teacher Alton, and today we're going to get further insights into the ADMAT 2017 past paper solutions, and the focus will be on series. We believe that we will understand this topic, and we believe that we will have good success in our exams. So let us start off the discussion with question number 18. Now this question gives us the sum of the first n terms of a series, and that sum is given by the sum from your term r going from 1 to n, so it's n terms in this series, and the rule to generate your individual terms is 5 minus 3r. So let us go ahead and write out the first few terms of this series. So the first term will be when r takes on the value of 1. So this is our first term here. The second term will be when r takes on the value of 2. The third term will be when r takes on the value of 3. And so on. So we can get a sense of the terms, the first three terms of this series. So it's 5 minus 3 will give us 2. The second term will be 5 minus 6. So this will actually be minus 1. And the third term of the series will be 5 minus 9, which is minus 4. Of course, you can write it as 2, then minus 1, then minus 4 if you wish. Or you could maintain your plus sign, seeing that you are interested in the sum of the series. So you can simply have 2. The overall sign here will be a minus 1. Then the next sign here will be also be a minus 4, and so on. So however you choose to write it, let us see if we can apply that understanding to solving the problem. So this is the sum of the first 10 terms. So this question requires to find the sum of the first 10 terms. Now you will be given some formulas in your exam. So let us go look for the formula for the sum of n terms of our series. Now recognize that this series is an AP, an arithmetic progression. So if you scroll up and look at the top of your formula sheet, you will notice that for an arithmetic progression or arithmetic series, the sum of the first n terms is n over 2, open brackets, 2 by a plus n minus 1 by d. Now let us see if we can identify the respective values for the question asked. So the one is sum of the first 10 terms, so n is taken on the value of 10. So this will be 10 over 2. Now what is the value of a? A is defined as the first term in the series, which happens to be 2. So it will be 2 by 2. We did say earlier that n is 10, so it will be 10 minus 1. And the last part we need to find before we can complete the formula is what is the common difference? What is the common difference here? So let us identify the common difference would be the difference between your second term and your first term. So let's just take them away. The second term is minus 1, minus 2. So our common difference is minus 3. Right, so that is the value we'll put right here. And what we need to do now is simplify. So this is 5, open brackets, 2 2s are 4, plus 10 minus 1 is 9 by minus 3 is minus 27. So this simplifies to 5 by minus 23. And let's work out that 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, and 1 11. And it will be a negative value. So it's minus 115. Let's see the corresponding answer for that one. Right, so this will be answer C. Okay, there's a question before question number 17, which is also part of our discussion today on series. The one that we just did was number 18, so let's go back a bit. Number 17. So you are told that the common ratio of the geometric sequence 8, 12, 18 is, right, so they identify the sequence 8, 12, 18, and it is a geometric sequence, and we need to find what is the common ratio R. Now, your common ratio in any geometric sequence or series or progression is your second term divided by your first term. So let's work that out. Your common ratio here will be 12 divided by 8. 4 can go into both of these numbers. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 3 over 2. So my answer again here is C.